In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Outlook on your Windows desktop so you can enhance your emails with Grammarly's helpful suggestions. Let's dive in. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to Grammarly's official page for Microsoft Outlook. Here, you can find the essential tools for integrating Grammarly with your Outlook. This is your first stop to begin making your emails more polished and eloquent. Once you're on the page, the next step is to download the installer for Windows. Here, there's a section specifically for Microsoft Office integration. This covers Word and Outlook. A clear button will indicate Download Grammarly for Windows. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see the file start downloading at the bottom of your browser. When downloading is complete, you'll have a small file ready to go. This file is the installer that will guide you through setting up Grammarly on your computer. Give it a double click to open it up. Right away, you'll notice some on-screen prompts. They're straightforward and will lead you through the installation process in no time. This is a guided procedure designed to be user-friendly, so anyone can follow it without any hassle. Just proceed with the instructions, agreeing where necessary, and finish the setup. With the installation complete, it's time to open up Outlook and see the results of your effort. Open Outlook as you normally would. You should now notice a new addition to your workspace, a Grammarly add-in, which might appear as a new tab or perhaps a sidebar, depending on your Outlook version. This integration is what will help you while crafting your emails, giving real-time suggestions to improve your grammar, tone, and style. Now that you have the add-in visible in Outlook, you need to log in with your Grammarly account credentials. Enter your email and password associated with your Grammarly account. This is crucial because logging in links the add-in to your Grammarly subscription, activating its functionality. Once logged in, Grammarly will spring into action as it analyzes your email drafts. It provides recommendations and corrections through underlines or side notes, helping you enhance everything from clarity to conciseness, ensuring your emails are as effective and professional as possible. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Grammarly into Outlook, bringing a powerful writing assistant right into your email client. Now, whenever you sit down to write an email, Grammarly will be there, ready to help you convey your message clearly and accurately. Thanks for tuning in, and happy writing.